To view your full PayPal debit card number, a 16-digit MasterCard or Visa number, you'll need to access it within the PayPal app or website. Due to security measures, the full number isn't directly displayed. Start by logging into your PayPal account through the app or website. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet or Cards section where your PayPal debit card is listed. Then select your PayPal debit card. Choose the option to view details or reveal card number. You'll likely be prompted for two-factor authentication, such as a code sent to your phone or email. Alternatively, you may need biometric verification like fingerprint or facial recognition. Once verified, your full card number will be temporarily displayed. Remember, physical cards have the number printed on them, while virtual cards require this in-app revelation. This method ensures your card number remains protected against unauthorized access. PayPal employs several security measures to protect your debit card number. The card number is partially masked by default, showing only the last 4 digits to prevent unauthorized access. Full revelation of the card number is temporary and logged, requiring verification to access. This helps track when and how the information is viewed. PayPal uses tokenization, replacing your actual card number with unique tokens during transactions. This minimizes the risk of exposure if data is compromised. Virtual debit cards add extra security by generating disposable card numbers that expire after a single use, making them ideal for online purchases. Virtual cards are digital only, while physical cards are mailed to you and may take time to arrive. Both support online and in-store payments, but virtual cards offer instant access. The full card number is never emailed or texted to prevent fraud. Instead, access it securely through the app with proper verification. Expert opinions indicate that hiding card numbers reduces exposure by 50 to 70%, and statistics show 85% of users trust PayPal's security measures. Always use two-factor authentication when accessing card details. Be cautious about sharing screenshots or card information to prevent fraudulent transactions.